What's up, folks? It is time. Today is the day that I'll be installing some new lights on the 2019 GT. Show you real quick. Check these things out. From Raxiom. They call profile LED taillights. Real quick. Got this in the mail a couple days ago. Check them out. They look pretty cool. Looks like they'll be easy to install. Nice and shiny. Alright. So basically it's a very easy install. We have to remove this panel right here. Remove that. There's some bolts or plastic nuts on that side. Some more plastic. That's three of them. One right there. Right there, you remove this, and then you remove this part, and that'll give you access to the back of the stock tail light, which they look pretty nice, but I figured I'd do something a little different today. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to work. Alright. Alright, so I went ahead and removed all the little plastic bolts here. Remove this panel. Put it aside. Alright, and then what that does is you gotta remove this. Get yourself one of these little nifty tools there. Just remove this. Just like that. You don't need to completely remove this. You can just pull it out to the side just a little bit. You don't have to. Right there should be good enough. It'll stay. Oh, it's gonna stay. There you go. And then I'll show you real quick. You're gonna have these. You're gonna have what? Let's see, this one right here. 1, 2, and this one. Oh, it's up here. So then we have 1, 2, 3. And then the whole taillight assembly comes out through the back of the car. Make sure you disconnect the cable here. Just really easy. Press this little clip and it comes right out. Just like that. Alright, once you get it there, and one all the way in the back. Yeah, the one in the back's a little tricky, so you might have to use a ratchet. once you take all the nuts off, ooh, comes right out. Pull the light tail light out, the fixture, just like so. Okay. Now, this plug here, you leave that there. You don't take that out. The way you remove it is you gotta take this little grommet. There you go. And that comes out just like that. See that? And there you go. So you do that. And then once you take that one out, then you do the same to the other side. And we should be done. Okay, so one thing that it does require you to do is this little part here on top of the stock one. You're supposed to remove this and put it onto the new one here. And it's just easy to take off. It's just some little clips here. Just pop the little clips. There. It comes right out. See? And you grab this and put it, snaps right back into place. Just like that. There you go. Nice and shiny that looks. Okay, so once you put that piece on there, then you go ahead and put the nuts back on. Now these don't put them on too tight. Can break them if put them on too tight. Just nice hand tight would be good. Just a little bit. Just like so. Alright, so once you get the bolt back on, you go ahead and connect the plug here. Bam. Just like that. Let's see what it looks like with just the one. Let's see what it looks like. Wow, look at that. That looks really good, I think. My opinion. That's the stock light. This is the aftermarket light. Ready? It's the stock one. Aftermarket. Alright folks, install is complete, as you can see right there. Now we're going to try it. Okay, that's the brakes. There's the left signal. There's the right signal. There's the brakes. There's the hazards. So the hazards and the regular parking brakes. There's the brakes. That's left. That's right. All right. There you go. Bam. Go. All right, folks, that's pretty much it for the LED lights install on the 2019 Mustang GT from Raxiom. In my opinion, I like the way these lights look on the car versus the stock. It gives it a nice shiny black flush look all the way across the back. In my opinion, that looks a little better than the stock ones, but it's what you like, I guess. It still keeps the sequential turn signal, and still has the three light bar look like all the Mustangs do, the classic ones as well. So let me know what you guys think. All right, just leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you guys later.